Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. I just want to provide you with an update on the progress of the blueberry bushes. Right now, they're actually giving off some berries. This is a better production ratio than we've ever seen. Here's a nice blueberry here. I mean, it's not a tremendous amount of production, but it's better than it's ever been. There's two different varieties. I don't know what this one is, but this one is a southern high bush. So we'll go over here. There's more berries here. More on the southern high bush here. I think that there's a few ripe ones. So anyhow, this is what can happen. Now we've been fixing the soil with sulfur to acidify the soil a little further. And right now we're going to come through and clear out all these weeds and all these little oak runners. So going forward, we're going to try to make this area more organic, rich as far as the soil goes, and then we should get a much higher production ratio out of these blueberry bushes. And then also I'm going to take down this wall a little bit so we can get more sunlight and possibly trim some of those lower lying oak branches. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. And stay tuned, and I'll continue to provide you with updates on the progress of these blueberry bushes. Have a great day.